Does your Audi have the Audi Side Assist option, but it's not activated and you're not sure how to activate it? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to activate and deactivate the Side Assist option in your Audi. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Audi Side Assist is a safety assistance system that keeps an eye on the blind spots of your car. When it's a good time to change lanes, an orange LED light comes on in the left or right door mirror. Radar sensors detect whether a vehicle is approaching next to your Audi and measures the distance and difference in speed. But since Audi Side Assist is a safety assistance system, it is always essential to stay attentive and aware while driving to avoid any collision. But how to activate or deactivate the Side Assist option? Start your Audi and go to the Audi online menu. Click on Car and go to Driver Assist. Click on the document with the pencil next to Individual. You can now activate or deactivate the Side Assist option. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.